Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am unboxing the fall 2018 Fab Fit Fun box that I just received. So let's take a look inside. They always send a magazine with everything that's inside your box. And then some coupons. Okay, so here we go. Inside we have this cute poppy umbrella. This umbrella is adorable. It's from Catherine Maldrino. Sorry. It's a cute umbrella. And then there's a Luna bar with cashew butter, fruit and nuts. Yummy. This is a Simply Whimsical towel. Oh, a dish towel. Very cute. We have some Glam Glow Deep Cleansing Mask. Awesome. Totally using these. This is a yoga detox bath. So there are some bath salts made with goji berries and Greek mastiha. I'm not even sure what that is, but yeah, that's awesome. I also have a Hydro Repair Day Cream from Grown Alchemist. It's a facial moisturizer. So yeah, I love moisturizers, so this is going to be awesome. So with this Fab Fit Fun, I forgot to, you can choose some of your options, and I forgot to do it this time. So this is a total surprise to me what I'm getting in this box. I have a shower gel from Blue and Capri with rose, sage, and autumn blossom. Totally excited about that. A beauty blender. Awesome. A Vince Camuto vegan bag. I knew this was coming in there because they did a sneak peek. So I saw this already on their sneak peek on Instagram. It's a Vince Camuto soft vegan leather. And this one looks like it came in black or burgundy. And I think they sent me the black one, so let's see which one they gave me. Yep, I got the black and gray, which is the one I wanted, so I'm super excited. It's the black and gray. Let me see if I can get a wider shot. It's the black and gray Vince Camuto vegan bag. Super cute. And I got an Alfred stainless steel ceramic teapot. Let's open this up. Okay, I got the teapot with looks like cherry blossoms on it. Cute. I would definitely use this. So this was everything in my Fab Fit Fun box for fall 2018. I got all these goodies. A skin moisturizer, a beauty blender, a umbrella, a tea towel, some deep cleansing masks, some detox bath salts, a Luna bar, teapot, and a Vince Camuto bag. Thanks for watching my video. If you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel, click on the link below, or follow me on Instagram at Designer Haul. Thanks again. See you later.